How to use Substack for beginners. Substack is a platform that allows anyone to create and distribute newsletters, blog posts, podcasts, and videos while building an email list and optionally charging subscribers. It's essentially a publishing and email newsletter tool with built-in features for monetization. Now let's go to the Substack website and let's create our Substack account. Now go to sign in, create an account, choose your interests, and let's click continue. Let's subscribe to all 7 of these, enter our email, and join the Substack. And here it's gonna ask us to download the Substack app. I just tell it to send a link to my email, but let's continue over the computer. So the first thing that we're gonna do is publish our first post. It's asking us, am I ready to start publishing? I'm gonna click I agree. Now posts are long form articles or newsletters. Notes are short form. Podcasts is of course audio content for our audience. And videos are visual content to engage subscribers. Here you can say whatever you want. Now, once you typed in whatever you want, click continue. Here choose who can see this. You can also add tags. I'm gonna click money. This is the preview. You can also upload an image and click send to everyone now. Substack has this feature, subscribe buttons. Subscribe buttons are basically call to action buttons that people can click when looking at your post to subscribe to you. And there you go. Here's where you can see your posts, subscribers, stats. And as you can see, I've published this post right here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.